I have a 2-bedroom off-plan property in a very serene part of Lekki Phase 1. It could be your investment property. Trust me, the developer is a quality developer. I could show you things that he has done in the past. So if you're interested in this one, it's in a serene upscale neighborhood and you are not allowed in without clearance. So stay with me as I drive you through the area a little bit and show you the location of the property. In Lekki Phase 1, you do not have many gated places. This is one of the gated residential environments, so it's an opportunity for you to have your investment here. It's an upscale environment like I mentioned earlier. It is serene. The developer is excellent. He also built the property we just left. If you're interested in seeing some of his unique past jobs as well, I have on my channel. I could show you if you reach me via WhatsApp. Let's quickly drive through before I show you the actual location and 3D images. Remember, it's an off-plan project. If you're not subscribed to my channel, remember subscription is free. On your smart TVs and devices, click the subscribe icon. It makes it easier for you to find me another time. Do not forget to click on the notification bell. You'll always be informed when I upload contents. As you watch my videos, play your part. Click on that like icon and share with family and friends. Please stay with me as I show you what to expect here. This is the location of the property. There are 3 units of 2-bedroom apartments that will be in front. The apartment is coming fully serviced. It's going to be a smart home. It will have high ceilings, Bluetooth speakers, video intercom system, smoke detectors, fire alarm, inverter, high quality tiles, AC units will be installed, fitted kitchen appliances including refrigerator and washing machine. It's going to have an elevator. It's coming with a backup generator. Remember I said it's a fully serviced apartment. Apartments will have dedicated parking space and it's going to be automation ready. The price for this property is 250 million naira and the title is C of O. Only 2 units are available at the time of this video, so you need to reach out to me quickly. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a quality developer and you can expect quality. The construction time is 12 months and it has a payment plan. It's 50% initial deposit, 40% at roofing and 10% upon completion. How wonderful is this? I have many investment opportunities including high-rise properties. Don't wait to see it on YouTube. Reach out to me via WhatsApp. We can get you what you want. I have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Bye and see you in my next one. Click here to watch the next video.